Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a critical topic for anyone involved in AI development: building a scalable AI model deployment pipeline. This is essential for taking your machine learning models from development to production efficiently and effectively. We will discuss the integration of continuous integration and continuous deployment, or CI/CD automation, in the deployment pipeline. By the end of this video, you will have a comprehensive understanding of how to construct a robust deployment pipeline that not only accommodates your current needs but also scales as your use case grows. Let's start by defining what we mean by an AI model deployment pipeline. At its core, this pipeline consists of all the steps necessary to take a machine learning model from initial training through to production, where it can serve real-time predictions. The individual steps typically include data preprocessing, model training, validation, testing, and ultimately deployment to a production environment. One of the primary challenges in this process is ensuring that each of these steps is efficient and repeatable. This is where CI/CD comes into play. CI, or continuous integration, allows you to automatically test and integrate code changes, while CD, or continuous deployment, automates the release of those changes into production. Together, they help streamline the process, making it easier to manage updates to your AI models without causing disruptions or downtime. To kick off our discussion, we'll start with the first step in building your scalable deployment pipeline: setting up your environment. It's vital to have a well-structured environment before you begin development. This usually involves creating a development environment that mirrors your production environment as much as possible. You can achieve this by using containerization tools like Docker. Containers allow you to package your application and its dependencies together, ensuring that it runs consistently across different environments. Once you have your environment set up, the next step is to begin developing your AI model. During this phase, you will be focusing on data collection and pre-processing. Data is the backbone of any machine learning model, and ensuring its quality is paramount. This often involves cleaning, transforming, and enriching your datasets. Tools like pandas for data manipulation and NumPy for numerical computations are commonly used here. After collecting and pre-processing the data, the next crucial step is model training. Choosing the right model depends on the specific use case you are addressing. You might select from various algorithms, whether it's a simple linear regression or more complex architectures like neural networks. Training the model is where you input your clean data and allow the algorithm to learn patterns. This might involve iterating through various hyperparameter settings to find the best performing model. Once you have trained your model, the next stage is validation. It's essential to evaluate your model's performance using metrics relevant to your specific problem, be it accuracy, recall, precision, or F1 score. For example, if you're working on a classification problem, a confusion matrix can provide insights into how well your model is performing. During this phase, you might also want to implement techniques such as cross-validation to ensure your model generalizes well to unseen data. At this stage, while you are focused on model development, you should also be preparing for the deployment phase. This is where CI/CD comes into play. To effectively implement CI/CD in your deployment pipeline, you need to establish a version control system. Git is the most widely used tool for this purpose. With Git, you can track changes to your codebase, collaborate with other developers, and maintain a history of your project's evolution. Implementing CI involves setting up a CI server. Popular choices include Jenkins, GitLab CI, and GitHub Actions. This server can automatically run tests every time a change is made to your codebase. For AI applications, this can mean running unit tests on your code and integration tests on your data pipelines. You can set up these tests to verify that your model training scripts run correctly and that the models produce the expected outputs. The next step in the CI/CD process is continuous deployment. Once your model is validated and you're confident in its performance, it's time to deploy it. This often involves creating a deployment script that specifies how to move your model from the development or staging environment into production. This script could automate the process of creating containers, pushing them to a container registry, and rolling out the new model version to your production servers. But before you push your model to production, consider implementing a more robust deployment strategy. One popular strategy is canary deployment. This involves rolling out the new version of your model to a small subset of users first, allowing you to monitor its performance before a full-scale rollout. This way, if any issues arise, you can quickly revert to the last stable version without significant disruption. Another effective deployment strategy is blue-green deployment. In this approach, you maintain two identical environments, one that is live, the blue environment, and one that is idle, the green environment. When you're ready to deploy a new version of your model, you make it live in the green environment, and if everything works as expected, you switch the traffic over. This method minimizes downtime and provides a quick rollback option in case of issues. Once your model is deployed, monitoring is crucial. This is an often overlooked but essential part of the deployment pipeline. You need to track various metrics to ensure that your model continues to perform as expected. Tools like Prometheus for monitoring and Grafana for visualization can be utilized to keep an eye on model performance in real time. Monitoring helps you catch any degradation in performance, allowing you to retrain your model with new data if necessary. As part of your deployment pipeline, you might also consider implementing automated retraining. In many cases, the data your model is working with will evolve over time. This can lead to model drift, where the performance of your model declines as the underlying data distribution changes. To combat this, you can set up a scheduled pipeline that retrains your model on new data periodically, ensuring it remains accurate and relevant. Another important aspect of your CI/CD pipeline is managing dependencies. In a machine learning context, your models will often rely on numerous libraries and frameworks. It's essential to ensure that your deployment environment contains the correct versions of these dependencies. Tools like Python or Poetry can help manage Python packages, while Docker can encapsulate all dependencies within your container, ensuring consistency across environments. Documentation is another critical part of your deployment pipeline. Well-documented processes enable smooth transitions and collaborations among various team members. This includes documenting your model development process, how to run tests, and procedures for deploying models into production. Maintaining a clear and updated documentation repository will save you and your team countless hours in the long run. Finally, let's address scalability. As your application grows, so too will the complexity of your deployment pipeline. It's crucial to design your pipeline with scalability in mind from the onset. One way to achieve this is by adopting a microservices architecture. This allows various components of your application, such as data preprocessing, model training, and prediction serving, to operate independently. Each component can be scaled according to its specific needs, ensuring that your pipeline can handle increased loads efficiently. In conclusion, building a scalable AI model deployment pipeline from development to production requires careful planning and implementation of CI/CD automation. By setting up a robust environment, leveraging version control, establishing testing and monitoring strategies, and considering deployment methodologies, you can create a pipeline that not only meets your current demands but also evolves as your needs change. Remember, the goal is to streamline the process, minimize downtime, and ensure that your AI models are delivering value consistently. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content on AI, machine learning, and software development. See you in the next video.